everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can activate your Siri or Hey Siri in your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max or in any iOS 18.1, 18.2.3 or 1 update. So what you need to do is just go to the settings. Under the settings, you need to swipe up and there's an option of Apple Intelligence and Siri. Just tap on it, and as you can see that there's an option talk and type to Siri. Tap on it, and you need to, by default it's an off section. You need to select any of this, like you can select, like whenever you say Hey Siri, it will automatically detect, or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So in my case, let's start it down, and I think it's have detected. Okay, so Hey Siri, like this it will show you, and it is start responding you accordingly. So that's how you can actually turn on, and that's how you can use the Siri. I hope this video helping out in turning on the Siri or Apple Intelligence or AI into your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.